Okay, we're gonna attempt to make shrimp egg fouillon. Oops, I did it again. Okay, so I got 2 eggs, okay. Right here, I have pre-cooked shrimp and eggs, okay. Here, I have cooked rice noodles. I'll put some of this in here. Put me some rice noodles in there. Put your rice noodles in there. Put your rice noodles in there, okay. Where's my spoon? I got so much going on at one time. Here we go. I'm also cooking my rice. Okay, so I have the eggs, the rice noodles, and the shrimp. Okay, we're gonna make some egg fouillon. What? Egg fouillon. Okay, we're gonna add some cornstarch. Okay. Now I'm going to put a little seasoning in it, just a little bit, because we're going to use the gravy, and the gravy is going to season it. How thick is that? How thick is that? Okay. This is a little shrimp seasoning. Egg fouillon, yeah. Okay. So normally they deep fry it, but you know I'm trying to stay away from a lot of fried stuff, so we're not gonna deep fry these. Okay, I'm gonna hit it the bottom of the skillet with a little bit of oh, my turkeys is here. Put a little bit more cornstarch. Y'all know I be into the birds. The flock is here. Okay, so we're gonna mix this up really good. The eggs, the shrimp, the onions. My rice is cooking. Everything is just doing what it needs to do, I tell you. Okay, now let me flip the camera. Hold on. Okay, so now I got my oil, and my oil is hot. Okay. It ain't hot enough. Come on, oil. My oil not hot enough. A little bit hot, a little bit hot. A little bit hot, a little bit hot. A little bit hot, a little bit hot. Come on, a little bit hot, a little bit hot. Y'all work with me, I'm sorry. My first time doing this. So, y'all gotta give me a little bit of a break, okay? Give me a little bit of a break, a little bit of a break, a little bit. Okay, okay. All right, so take it, flip it, boom, bang, 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 bang. Okay, we cooking. So I do the other. I'm only gonna do 2, because it's just me. It is just me, okay? It's just me. Look, I got my stuff cocked like a goddamn pistol, don't it? My rice is over here cooking. Come on now, come on now, come on now. Do me right. Do me right. Do me right, do me right, do me right. Okay, it's coming along pretty good. When you multitask, okay? My rice is about ready. Okay. almost. So we're going to take the first one out. Because you know we got to do the gravy, okay? So the first one is out. Egg fouillon, yeah, egg fouillon. The rice is done. Now I need some butter, butter. You know what? I want me a rice cooker. Good old-fashioned rice cooker. So we got this one. Flip it. Them prices way too high. You need to cut it. So we got that flip. Okay, so this is my gravy, okay? The gravy is cooking for the egg fouillon, yeah. Okay. Okay. Okay, there we go. We're cooking. So a lot of times they will submerge their shrimp fried rice into the grease. I'm trying to avoid, you know, using a lot of grease. So the next one is here. So now I got to get this pot together and do the gravy. Oh shit, I gotta turn my rice off. Turn the rice off. We need to put some butter in the rice. Butter in the rice. Butter in the rice. Butter in the rice. Okay. So now we got to get the gravy going. Get the gravy going. Get the gravy going. Gravy going. Okay, so let me get the gravy to the consistency. Then you know we got to put it back in. So I got to get the gravy going. And I'll be back, y'all. I'll be back. Give me a minute. Okay, so now my gravy is ready. Egg fouillon, yeah. Egg fouillon. So now we take the eggs and put it back in the gravy. Because we're making egg fouillon, yeah. Yeah. Oh, yeah. What a man, what a man, what a man, what a mighty good man. Okay. Okay. So, egg fouillon. We're cooking. I'm coming, guys. Trying to multitask. Get it all done. Okay. So now, the egg fouillon is done with the gravy. So as you can see, now I just have to do my, put the butter in my rice. So, I'm gonna burn the hell out of my arm. Let me bring it over here. Let me bring it over here. Okay, so as you can see, egg fouillon. Okay? So now I have to clean up my mess. So I'll see you guys in a little bit. Toodles. Okay, so I have everything complete. So my rice is ready. Put me a little bit of rice here. This is the beef and broccoli. This is the beef. Where's the beef? Y'all remember that commercial? For the people more around my age, when that old lady go to Wendy's and say like, where's the beef? Okay, so this is the beef. And I put it on top of the rice. Okay. Now the egg fouillon, and I don't really want a big whole one, so we're gonna break it in half. Egg fouillon, okay? So this is what I am going to have. I'm gonna taste it really quick for you guys. Then I have to go feed the turkeys and the birds, okay? I have to go feed them. So let's see. Very good. Taste the egg fouillon. Very good. So that's how you can create it and make it. I hope you guys have an awesome Saturday, and thanks for watching. Toodles.